Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of March 29th, 2024. Here are some upcoming events. Please join us for Astro Family Skatenight. Astro Skatenight will be next Thursday, April 4th at 5:30 p.m. until 8:30 p.m. Admission is $11 per person and includes skates, a bounce house, and colored hairspray. It is located at 3100 Jog Road in Greenacres. Saturday, April 6th will be our next open house for students new to PBMA. 10 a.m. for the elementary campus and 11 o'clock a.m. at the secondary campus. This is a great chance for incoming kindergartners to see the elementary school and also for fifth graders to tour our middle school. Kindergarten Roundup, which is an important orientation for incoming kindergarten students, will be on Thursday, April 18th at 5:30 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, April 20th through 21st, is the annual Plywood Regatta. During this great secondary school event, students are given plywood and a few other supplies to create a boat and paddles, and then they paint it. Construction of the boat takes place on Saturday, and on Sunday, the students race the boat against other schools. If you'd like to participate, please see Mr. Skierski. April 22nd and 23rd will be the fast practice testing days at the secondary campus. 8th grade moving up ceremony will be Wednesday, May 22nd, 6 p.m. at Santaluces High School. Senior graduation is Friday, May 24th at 6 o'clock p.m., also at Santaluces High School, which is located at 6880 Lawrence Road in Lantana.
Greetings, PBMA family. This is Ms. Stone, your secondary principal. Just a few quick reminders. On April 4th, we will be at Astro Skate for our fundraiser. Please come out and join us and watch Ms. Stone stumble around and fall. It'll be a great time. Also, quick reminder, April 6th will be our open house. Please come join us, view the school, and bring your friends so they can join you here on campus. Our PSAT for 9th and 10th grade has been pushed back a week. SAT will still go as scheduled. That also opens us up, so our writing test will be pushed back 2 days to give you extra time to become prepared. Parents and students, thank you once again for the amazing implementation of our Yonder pouches. Things are going amazing. Thank you for all that you do. Let's go Sharks!
Hello my friends, this is Ms. Thomas, your high school counselor, with a few announcements. First few are going to go to my seniors. Seniors and parents of seniors, I have completed the third quarter grad check. I have sent home their grad check letters. Again, you will see they have a check mark by the requirements they have already met, as well as highlighted the ones they still need to meet. I also emailed it to you as well, so please, once you get that, sign it and bring it back to me as soon as possible. Also, seniors, for the grad ceremony presentation, please send me all your baby pictures, family pictures, fun pictures by April 26th so that I can have a nice presentation for your wonderful ceremony. Also, please start sending me any acceptances of any colleges or certification programs or military programs so that we can also acknowledge that as well at your wonderful graduation ceremony. Also, seniors, my last one, if you do still need assistance with college applications or certification program applications, I am happy to help you. Please just let me know if you need my assistance and I'll give you anything that you need. This next announcement goes to both my juniors and seniors. Prom is coming up. It is May 11th from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. at the Hollywood Design Complex. Please make sure you grab a form by Ms. Short so that it can be improved before you make your payment. I have extended the due date to April 19th. So please, juniors and seniors, make sure you get a prom form, get it approved, and then go ahead and make your payment. And my last couple announcements go to all my high school friends. Please continue to look out for scholarship opportunities. Again, if you need assistance with those scholarship applications, I will be happy to help you. And of course, I'm not going to go without saying community service. Yes, also please look out for community service opportunities. And shout out to my friends who have started going to the elementary campus to help out Miss Robinson. Please continue to go and earn some community service hours. I do have a bus going over there every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, bus number 10, for those who are still interested in going to help out Miss Robinson at the elementary campus. That's all I have for today. Thank you.
Now it's time to dive in with Mr. Pond and meet the Shark Crew.
Thanks, guys. Hey, everyone. This week we're at the elementary campus, and we're going to introduce the 5th grade team. Today I have with me the team lead, Miss Clark.
Miss Clark the Shark.
Miss Clark the Shark. How's the year going, Miss Clark?
Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. We're almost up to the final punch. They graduate May 17th, so make sure you mark that in the calendar, and we're getting them ready for all their testing and making sure that they get them levels that they need to be on.
All right, very good. I'm just going to turn it over to Miss Clark and let her introduce her team.
Awesome. So we have Mr. Mack, who teaches ELA, and we have Mrs. Hecker, who's also my partner, who teaches the math and science, and we have Miss Pajawez, who's also the ELA teacher. So this is our wonderful 5th grade team.
Thanks, guys, for joining us this week, and we'll see you next week for another Dive In with Andropont and Meet the Shark Crew.
April is Poetry Month, so in Miss Terciero Media Center, the students have so much fun. They learn poetry skills one by one. Rhyme and rhythm they explore. In the month of April, they'll learn more. Let's take a look at what's happening in our STEM and Maritime classes. Students in Maritime class are learning about the water cycle. They are learning how water flows through the earth and the atmosphere. They will conduct a water cycle experiment next week. This week in STEM, in grades 3 to 5, they learned about gravity by building a ramp and using a car to test gravity and friction. In kindergarten through 2nd grade STEM, they completed a lesson on the states of matter. The students explored solids, liquids, and gases. 1st grade had a wonderful time exploring Delray's Children's Garden. The students explored the plants and insects that live in the garden. They also learned about pollinators and what different insects do. The children were encouraged to explore the entire garden, including the sand, swings, and climbing trees. The kids loved it. Let's hear all about the Safety Patrol trip to St. Augustine.
Hey guys, it's Ms. Fisher here, and I have a couple of our safety patrols, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about our trip to St. Augustine because we had an amazing time. So I have Riley here who's going to talk about the first half of our trip. Go ahead, Riley, tell them about what we did.
Our first stop was the Old Florida Museum, where we learned about the Spanish history. We played old games, learned about candle making and weaving.
Yeah, did you have fun over there?
It was lots of fun.
It was lots of fun. And our next stop was in St. Augustine, where Elijah's going to talk about what we did there. Go ahead, Elijah.
We went to St. Augustine and visited the oldest jail, and we drank some water from the Fountain of Youth, and we went on a ride on the trolley, and then we went to the fort.
And what was your favorite part of that section of our trip?
The trolley.
The trolley? Yeah, you know what I liked? When they set off the cannon. Oh, that was fun, right? And our last stop was definitely the fan favorite of the kids. We stopped at Universal Studios. Go ahead and tell them about Universal.
We went on a lot of rides, including the Fast and Furious. But my personal favorite one was the Fast and Furious. And we had lunch at some Minion restaurant, which I really liked.
So these kids had a fantastic time. Everybody just, had the best time. So we're thankful that we all back safe and sound, and we look forward to next year's Safety Patrol stepping it up. So you guys, thanks for your help and telling everybody about our trip, and we look forward to next year. Have a good one.
And finally, we threw a retirement party celebrating our beloved Miss T before spring break. Thank you, Ms. T, for everything you have selflessly given to the children, families, and staff of PBMA for over 20 years. We love you. please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.